We have a massive western diamondback here. I hate to agitate it. It's really, you can see, it just wants to get away. It doesn't have any interest in attacking me, even though I'm certainly in its territory. But imagine seeing this monster crossing the road. Look at how fat that body is. Wow. See how many buttons are on that rattle. You can just hear it clanking around. This is an absolute monster. Every time it sheds its skin, it gains a button on this rattle. So this thing has had a nice, healthy life of growing.